Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is DEFI again here, and I would like to just bring you an update about DeFi staking platform. We know, all of us who have been in DeFi staking platform, that it has been having a rough time since day one with the massive DOS attacks, and so this morning the thing just went off. Some people had bought tokens, some people they had to collect the stakes and everything. So everything just went off, but the good thing, the contract was on. And so if we are to go to the Telegram channel here, where is it here? This is the message they left us. This is the message. Unfortunately, we will not be able to bring the user interface back in the near future. And they left us with they told us to interact with the Telegram. So some of us did interact with the contract, and some people couldn't. So now some member came up with the user interface, actually created the user interface, which is this Tron divs.github.io, and it correctly interacts with the contract. Everything is fine. If we have to go to the stakes here, actually I had closed almost all my stakes, only left these two. It shows that they are still running as they were, but they're only missing the divs. As you can see here, only the divs are missing, because this one started on day 13, this one started on day 12. So I should be having something here at least. So I'm waiting for this timer to go to 0 and see if my divs can come back. And also my ended stakes are not here. So, and people are putting their money. As you can see here, this Tron is increasing. Actually, I checked when it was around 700,000 Tron. Now it is at 1.959. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a risk. We know everything is all about risk, and I want to buy some tokens here, because I'm sure we are going to get very many tokens for spending little Tron, like how it was on day one. So, and I'm also going to stake this DSP balance, the whole of it, at least for 5 days, and I test it and see how it will go on. So if all goes well, I'll stake it for some long time. And the good thing about a smart contract is that the user interface went away, but we have got a new user face which can really interact with the contract very well. So most people couldn't interact with the contract. As you know, if you are not a tech guy, it's not an easy thing. So let me jump into the auction here and I buy some. I'm going to buy for 2k. Let me buy for 5,000. Buying for 5,000. The function says enter the lobby. I confirm in my wallet, and I should be having something here. See? So if at all this auction is to end here, I'll receive 6,217 tokens. But we know this is just an open stake. The final price of DSP has to come after the auction has ended. So, and I'm also going to stake this. I'm going to stake this entire lot. I have nothing to lose now. 830. And guys, I'm doing this because I'm seeing people still have trust in the contract. Because if the site was down and people have so far managed to generate 1.9 million Tron with all what has been going through, it shows that people are still interested in the contract and they want to be part of it. So this is why I've bought tokens, and I'm also going to stake this. Let me do it for 5 days. So it will start on day 14 and end on day number 20. Confirm it in my wallet, and it is here. It is in waiting. So if I'm to refresh a bit here, it has come, as you can see. So when this timer goes to 0 in 5 hours time, this one will become activated, and within the next 24 hours I'll be able to receive some dividends from it. So guys, I'm going to leave the link to the new user face, or the new link to the contract. This is my referral link, and remember to use it, because if you use it you can get a 5% discount on the tokens that you have bought from the lobby. And I think that's all I have